amazing. Anyways, my dishes are loud. We do not have to put it on our chest. We really don't, but I am. All we're gonna put on. She's drenched. Doing a foul. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing an easy, soft Valentine's makeup. Something that you don't have to really think about. It's all in one palette. It's very soft, very easy, probably one of the easiest Valentine's makeup looks I've done, and it's just very flattering for anyone. So this is the look I'm doing. This is more like casual. This is actually really cute for like a daytime picnic, brunch with the girls, Valentine's kind of vibe. Let me know what your plans are for your boyfriend, girlfriend. What are you doing? I want to know. And if you want to see how I got this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this Valentine's Day makeup. Good morning. My house is getting clean right now, so there might be some noise, some ambient, some ASMR. But I want to show you guys what I use to prep my face before I even jump into the makeup part. This is sad. I use it way too much. Blur and Moisture Primer Serum from Dominique. It's freaking amazing. This is my 5th one. It's an obsession. And then I have my ILIA Lip Wrap Hydrating Mask. I put that all over my lips already. My lips are so freaking dry, you guys. But this is like an instant relief. I already curled my lashes. I like to curl them first so that they're already prepped, you know, for mascara and stuff. And I haven't done my brows, but this is what I'm using on my brows right now. The Goof Proof Brow Pencil in shade 3.5. And then the Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 5. So I'm gonna do this really quick. I put primer on last because my brows are not gonna adhere to my skin very well. So first I go in with this Goof Proof pencil because it's bigger. I go in right underneath my brow first, and you're gonna notice it's pretty red. It makes the perfect backdrop for your eyebrows. And then I'm gonna use shade 5 to really fill in those sparse areas. And this is a more cool tone, deep brown, kind of like my hair. I have like 2 tones going in my hair right now, so it kind of matches perfectly. Okay, so I'm back with my brows and they are full and fluffy, and I added this to them. I didn't want to leave this out because I didn't want to hold back from you guys, but this is the Huda Beauty Balm Brows Full and Fluffy. It's a fiber gel. They have these little hairs on them, and I just comb them through my brows and now they're a lot fluffier. This is a good one. For my skin, I'm gonna do the primer serum, the Blur and Moisture, because I need hydration, I need my skin to be blurred, and it gives me all of those things. Now this is gonna give you a very soft, light blurring effect on your skin. It's not thick, it's a thin serum that just lays on your skin so nicely. But because I have these larger pores that really need some like thick, full primer that's gonna fill them in, I got this new Professional from Benefit. It's called the Professional Light Primer. I'm gonna put this on. It looks like so. See how thick that is? But it literally smooths all your little pores out. But I want to put this all over my face because then it's gonna be super matte. Whereas my other primer gives you a tacky, dewy finish so that your foundation really lasts all day long on your skin. So I just push that out around this area of my face. This is where all those big pores are. And I press that in. Smooths, mattifies, amazing. Anyways, my dishes are loud. Okay, so this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I thought it was super cute because it has little hearts on it, goes with the Valentine's theme. And what I do before I start my makeup is I put on a little bit of mascara. Not a lot, just a tiny bit since I already curled my lashes. And this is just to like prep the lashes because we are gonna put on fake lashes, so just put a little bit on. I want a little bit of a glow, something like glowing from within. So I'm gonna take the Skin Gloss in Glossed Peach so we can have this natural light. So I put it on the areas that I want to look the glowiest. This is not a dewy finish, actually, so if you have oily skin, this is great. Peach. So now that our skin is prepped, glowy, and ready, I'm gonna put some foundation on. I'm gonna mix these two together. It's gonna give you full coverage, but at the same time, it's gonna give you like a nice, kind of how it says radiant finish. And I just love how like glowy my skin naturally looks with this. Okay, we do not have to put it on our chest. We really don't, but I am. You can tell I'm avoiding my under eyes because I don't want that area to look too cakey. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Hourglass Vanish. preppy eyes, more eyeshadow. The eyeshadow we're gonna do is something that you're gonna wanna wear out. Like, it's not gonna be crazy red or burgundy. I love that look too, but I just want something that's a little bit more natural. Not a natural, but like wearable. Let's take my beauty blender and work that concealer in. I'm just gonna buff in this light pink shade all over the lid. This is Corazon from the Unconditional Palette. This is such a beautiful palette for Valentine's Day. It has like all these beautiful like lovable colors, but this is great for Valentine's. So I'm gonna take Corazon all over the lid. So I'm using that as like my backdrop. Okay, I'm gonna take the Revlon So Fierce Vinyl Eyeliner, and this is like a plum color, tight line. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into Love and Light. A really great Valentine's gift for your girlfriend, your best friend, to show your love to them, because everything in here is just really full of love. Soul, got a Corazon, Eternal, Love and Light. My son's name is in here. It's a lot of love going on in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put Love and Light on my inner third of my eye. I'm gonna pat it right in there. I'm also gonna take some on my inner corner, right in here. A lot of light going through the eye. I love this look. Now I'm gonna take Warm Hearted, which is this deeper pink color. I'm gonna take that and work that on the outer corner of my eye, like the outer third, so right where the half is, and out. Just a really soft, pretty, easy look. Anyone can do. And you just marry these two lines together so you don't see a harsh line. I'm gonna take a bigger fluffy brush and just go over everything on the outer corners so that we don't have any harsh lines there. I'm also gonna put it a little bit underneath the lower lash line. Ooh, I really like this look. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this deep burgundy shade as a liner. You can leave it there. I think this is really pretty and soft. I'm gonna add a little bit of liner, just a little bit, just to redefine the eye shape. And it's all in one palette. You don't have to grab any other palette. It's just all there for you. I'll have that link below. I'm gonna put some lashes on now. The lashes I've been using, these are from Araceli Beauty. She has the best natural lashes. I love them. I think these are Tulum, and I'm gonna put these on really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my lashes. Lashes just make every look look really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara to my lower lashes now. And I'm using that same L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And our eyes are done. I really like this. I don't know about you guys, but I hope you guys try it out. Now we're gonna move on to the rest of our face. Okay, so we are going to contour. I'm using the Persona Sahara Bronze Multi-Stick. And I'm just gonna take that on my forehead, nose. I'm just gonna bring it here this time. I'm not gonna go all the way to my brows. Just really work on the tip of the nose. And then I'm gonna curve it in like so. So we get more of like a sweet shape to our face rather than like a super sculpted. That's basically all we're gonna put on. I feel like this is a lot lighter than what I normally do. I'm gonna take a little brush and blend that in there. And now I'm just taking the beauty blender and making sure all the harsh lines are blended away, especially this nose area, which we're gonna lighten up still because we're gonna put concealer on. So I'm gonna take the same concealer from Hourglass. I'm just gonna put a little bit more there, down the nose, there, and just lighten this area. I want to know what you guys are planning for your Valentines. Like, are you planning Valentines for your girlfriend, boyfriend, your little family like me? You're gonna celebrate with your kids? Let me know what you're doing. I would love to know your plans. I think it's so cute. Like, Caesar, me, and Jaden all get dressed up. We did this like 2 years ago and it was so fun. We all got dressed up. Jaden was in a little blazer with a little rose. It was so cute. Now he's like, you know, he's a little bit older, but let's see how he dresses this year. But we all got dressed up. I was in a dress. Caesar was in a little blazer. I put little behind everything. It's just the way I talk, I don't know. Basically my way of saying it's cute. And we went to like a formal dinner. It was so nice. If you want a little bit more coverage with your concealer, just make sure to leave it there for a second and then come back to it and blend it so that you get more coverage. I'm gonna set the perimeter of my face with the Huda Beauty Glowish Luminous Pressed Powder. I love this. This is in the shade medium, so it's a little bit deeper, and I'm just gonna take it wherever I contour. And it's that luminous pressed powder, so it's gonna make you look so pretty, like very naturally glowy. And I don't need any more highlight because I had put some on before we even started. It's perfect. And then for my nose, I want to just make sure that the contour is really, you know, in place. So I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. You guys see? And a little contour brush and just set everything in place right here. For setting powder, I'm going to take the Haley's Retouch Soft Focus setting powder, and it's supposed to be blurring, long lasting, all the things. So I'm going to take this on my under eyes. Instead of baking, basically, I'm going to just take this little brush and set it under my eyes softly. I'm going to add some more eyeshadow back underneath my lower lash, the Warm Hearted shade. I feel like it kind of lost some of its look. I'm just going to put a little bit of that back underneath. Okay, so we are almost done. I'm just gonna do my blush and my lips. For blush, I'm gonna use the Blush Aesthetic from Laura Los Angeles. This is perfect for Valentine's too. Look at just the whole aesthetic of it is so gorgeous. I'm gonna take the shade Tiger Lily in Bridal Pink, and I'm gonna take that on my cheekbones and a little on my forehead, on my nose, and actually around my lip area. Okay, so for the lips, I'm gonna use the Dulce lip liner and liquid lip because I don't want my lips to go anywhere. I love that I have a matching lip liner and lipstick. It's so perfect. So this is the lip liner. This is a really pretty neutral kind of lip color. I also have a matching lip liner in liquid lip in Crush, my favorite lip liner, but I want to change it up. Crush is more pinky. So I wanted it more of like a nude beige. So we are lined, that is the lip liner. And then we're gonna use the Dulce liquid lip. And this is the completed look. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I forgot. Setting spray. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist 4-in-1 Mist. I love the luminosity this gives my skin, so I'm just gonna spray this really quick. She's drenched. And then I wanted to give you guys some perfume because I love perfume. I change my perfume like every single day. I'm obsessed with it, just like my jewelry. And I wanted to give you guys options. So for Valentine's Day, I would suggest you guys going with K. Sweet Diamond. Such a beautiful smell. Very girly and like just so beautiful. Very girly, floral. This is made with pink pepper. And then they have the Too Faced Better Than Sex, which is a beautiful bottle too. For Valentine's, this is more like a fruity, like a soft fruity lychee smell. I like this one. Both bottles are so gorgeous. That is pretty much it. And then for the look, like right now, I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing, but I probably won't be wearing this out on Valentine's because I think I wanna wear like a dress. If you're doing like a little picnic vibe, then I would definitely go with this type of outfit. I'm just wearing these jeans from Zara, and that is Jaden. Hey baby. And this shirt is from Miss Lola. My earrings and necklace are from ILIA collection. My nails are Valentine's Day vibes. This nail broke on my birthday, you guys, and I went to go get it filled and they drew a little heart on it. Isn't it cute? But this is my final look.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it. I really loved how this makeup look came out. I'm definitely doing this for Valentine's Day. If you don't have the Unconditional palette, you can get it right now. The link is below. You can get it for your friend, your girlfriend. It's a perfect gift of love because that is the place where I created the palette from, was a source of love. So I hope you guys really enjoy it. And if you missed these two videos over to the side, they will be waiting for you to check them out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe so we can be friends and we can hang out every week. Maybe twice a week. Let's see if I can get that second video done this week. But yeah, I'm thinking of doing more of like a lifestyle video for Sunday. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to comment below if you like that type of vibe. I definitely want to share more of my lifestyle and life with you guys this year. But before I let you guys go, I just wanted to remind you guys to tell your loved ones you love them. A lot of us forget to do that, especially those loved ones that are not very affectionate or don't like to show their feelings. So just make sure to tell them you love them, give them a hug, make sure to let them know that you love them. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.